they see me rolling, they hating, they're trolling and trying to catch me riding dirty. 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 My music's so loud.
Life with a Husky. What are we on? Part 7? When your full-grown 12-year-old Husky teaches your 10-week-old Husky how fun digging is. Look out, she's gonna push you down in that hole. Shelby, are you upside down in this hole? What are you doing? Really? There it is. Husky butts. Oop. Husky butts.
8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come.
Ronca, pero no pueden con mi pum pum, con mi pum pum. Y si hay alguien que me rompa, porque no pueden con mi.
Right now, I'm doing cool cat.
Fuck being good, I'm a bad bitch. I'm sick of motherfuckers trying to.
Looks like the pig is on top.
Abby, what are you doing, silly boy?
I love you.
Happy birthday, dear Cody. Happy birthday to you. And
so for whatever reason, I can get my dog to sit by saying any word. Bandit. Apple. Tater tots.
What are you doing?
Like that.
Like an hour and a half left of work. You're so sassy. You're not hunting anymore. He's coming.
The other day, I tried to make a statue of my dog's foot, but it didn't really work out, so today I decided to try a new kit to get an imprint of his paw. First, I took out the clay, kneaded it, and then rolled it out flat. I then took my dog's paw and gently pressed it into the clay for about 5 seconds. Then, I carefully removed his paw and it already looks so cute. I then used this cutter to make it into a perfect circle. Then, I cut his name out, Brady, with stencils and pressed them into the clay below the paw. After I pulled each one out, I decided to paint in the paw so you can see it a little bit better. While I paint it in, make sure to hit that follow button to join our family. We are always up to something fun. Here are the final results. Comment below how you think it turned out.
Been 1 week since they brought home this thing. Dad always tells Mom she can't have a puppy, but here we are. I try to play with her, but she is too dang small, so I get nervous and look at Mom to make sure I didn't break the rules. Mom says I still love you, and you are still my favorite, but I know that bitch is lying. Have you seen how she looks at that thing? She chews on everything and gets my spot on the couch sometimes. I guess she is a little cute when she is sleeping, so maybe.
Guess who got into the brownies? Yo, look how the nigga move.